Hi, it's Morgan here with Steele Ford Lincoln, and this is our 2024 Ford Maverick XLT Super Crew. At half the size and the price of an F-150, the Ford Maverick is still considered a workhorse, combining functionality of the 121-inch wheelbase, that bed in the back, and a comfy, cozy cabin. You have everything you need to get the job done. This specific model has the Atlas Blue metallic exterior combined with those 17-inch carbonized gray wheels. In the bed, you will find plenty of spots for tie downs to make sure your cargo is nice and secure. And this one does not have the bed liner, however, you can add one if you'd like. Taking a look at the interior, you will find the navy pier and medium slate fabric for the interior, which does wear quite well. I do have that front seat pulled all the way back, but there is quite a bit of space back here in that second row. And those seats do flip up, so you do have a little bit of extra storage underneath there. Looking at things from the driver's point of view, this vehicle has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid engine. It is a front-wheel drive vehicle with an automatic transmission, and like I said, it is a hybrid, so it's actually ranked first in its class for overall fuel efficiency, coming in at a combined 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers, making sure you get the most out of that tank. While the Ford Maverick does seem a little bit smaller in comparison to some of our larger offerings, I really enjoy it as it's not just easier to maneuver, but it does have quite a bit of space for storage. There is that space behind the center stack, and just to the right, all this space down here in the center console, and then a very deep center armrest as well. And there you have it, our 2024 Ford Maverick XLT Super Crew. If you have any questions about this or any of our other vehicles, please come visit us at Steele Ford Lincoln.